Hello, this is May, and my channel is Applied Virtual Solutions. Currently, AdNet has an excellent opportunity for entry-level candidates with strong data entry and customer support background. This is a contractual role for 1 year with a possibility of extending it 4 additional years based upon performance. The pay rate for this position is $18.22 an hour. Base rate is $14. The position is really $18.22. The base rate is $14 plus health and welfare, which is $4.22. But if you do not need benefits or want the benefits, the $4.22 is added back to the $14 to give you that per hour of $18.22. So their federal client operates a hotline program to receive and process allegations of fraud, waste, and abuse concerning grants, scholarships, contracts, programs, and operations. Hotline team members will support the core mission functions of the agency using government staff resources. The qualified candidates will be able to work 40 hours per week and can perform critical administrative operations as identified in the scope of work. These individuals are expected to work with federal staff and other contract support to facilitate the inputting of allegations into the hotline database, as well as contacting potential victims of identity theft to provide them with resources to aid them in protecting their identity as address items are identified in the scope of work. The ideal candidate will have strong and prior experience working remotely or the ability to produce great results working by yourself, excellent data entry skills, prior experience providing service and support to their customers by email, phone, and regular mail. You need a solid verbal and written communication, professional phone etiquette and follow-up skills, and the ability to work 40 hours work week, Monday through Friday. An ability to pass a federal background check and previous or active security clearance is a plus, but it's not necessary. You will process a large amount of inbound complaints received through the phone, mail, and electronic systems in a timely manner. Strong written and interpersonal skills are essential. That you will need is a previous experience in a data entry support role is desirable. Customer focus and adaptability to different personality types. Ability to multitask, set priorities, and manage time effectively. And you will need a high school diploma at least. So now we'll scroll back up to the top. That's the job description, and you can go to the link that I will leave in the description and to read more for yourself. If you want to apply for the job, you can apply for the position here where you will put in your own information or upload a resume. You will use, here you could use your Indeed resume, and here you can use your LinkedIn resume. And if you want to check out some more job openings, you click here, different nationalities, people of different age ranges, and other information is great for a work environment. other types of people for great work environment. So on this page, you just click the job openings for AdNet, and here's their openings. They have them, you can go by location. They have them, they're in Alexandria, Virginia, Baltimore, New York, other parts of Maryland. Um, they have quite a few areas in Maryland, DC, and Virginia. And the departments are here, finance or other. So let's check. I'm just checking other. And I really don't care what location. We probably could have done remote, but I didn't. So we can scroll down, I guess, and see if the positions are. Here they are. Okay, here we are. These are the other. I click, have an account entry level, administrative assistant, senior level, administrative assistant, workforce tax assistant. They have bilingual English and Spanish virtual customer support specialist. I also saw that they had well, here's the job that I just went over for you. And they come down a little bit further. They have a reader scribe bilingual job for Chinese English. And they have senior director behavior health. They have a technical writer contract work. Here they have a transcriber and reader bilingual Chinese English, a virtual customer support specialist. And most of the jobs are in Baltimore, even though you'll see some in Virginia and DC. But the one that I gave you today is a remote job. And if you go through these different jobs to see something else you might like, then you'll find out whether they're remote or not. So this is all I have for you today. And I will leave this job description or the link to this job description in the comments section below. So have a nice day and thank you for visiting. Also, please like this video, give it a great thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more information like this, and also click the bell to get notified of additional information about jobs. So thank you and have a good day.